Okay, today I'm going to do an unboxing, a review, and installation of these. The LASFIT. These are custom headlight bulbs for the 2009 to 2014 F150. It's designed specifically for only that truck, so I like that. There's not that many. Most of them out there are designed for all applications, all different types. There's not specific to this brand. So, and these is LASFIT. These are called the Pro Custom Pro series. Wattage is 72 watts a set. Luminous is 8,000 mLN a set. Color temperature is 6,000 white, and it has a 2-year warranty. So this is what they are. Because I have LEDs in my truck right now, and they're useless. Don't buy the $3 ones, $15 ones. They're junk. You're gonna do what I did, send them back. These have a gigantic heat sink. Look at this. This is a really nice. It has the chip. It has 12 chips. It has 6 chips on one side and another 6 on the other side. It's all aluminum. This is a massive heat sink. This one is plug and play. You don't have to worry about the little module that comes with it. Everything is, this one doesn't require it. It's got a nice fan. They look great. We're gonna see how they perform. That's one. I've never seen them this big. And this is another one. These are like, you can get them on eBay. I got them through them. The LASFIT, they're like $130 for the two. And it's high beam, low beam. So basically 2 bulbs and you're good to go for 120 bucks. All you're gonna need basically is some kind of a little pry bar and a 10mm socket. You take out these 2 bolts, 10, 10. You use this to pry off this little push pin, and then in here you got another 10. You just take those 3 out and it slides right out. Okay, once you got those 3 10mm out, you just grab it and you push forward. Grab it and push forward. Out. Okay, now obviously yours is not going to have this because this is the one I'm replacing. Again, don't buy $10, $15, $20 bulbs. They're junk. They're worse than the original halogens that you're replacing. So yours is just going to have a factory bulb here, and you won't need this wire clipper. Alright, so you just take this. Well, you're not going to have this on there. I did this. But if you don't test something, just because it's cheap price, you never know till you try it. Okay. Just twist it, and out comes the bootleg one. Okay. I'm not gonna call out that name because I'm not out to get anybody. I'm just doing reviews on what I like personally. All right. So now you take this one, you basically put it in, make sure you gotta find where it goes in, you twist it, and it's locked in. That's a nice beefy one. And like I said, this one doesn't have a ballast like this one. You see this ballast? A lot of them have that. That doesn't mean it's good or bad. It's just that this one doesn't have it. So it's even more simple. You don't have to worry about mounting anything. And it's plug and play. Okay. Let's make sure it's in there. Yep. Make sure. Yep, that's in there. Okay, I didn't hear it click. And that's basically it. See? And you don't even have anything that you have to worry about, you know, mounting or anything. And this has got the big fan. This looks like a nice one. So I can't compare it to stock because I got the cheaper one on the other side, but I'll show you how it looks just by itself. All right, let me just put it back in. Just line it up. There's a little hole over here around this way. You can see a hole in there. You line the upper one. It's like a rectangle, an oval. You just put it in there like that, and you push straight back. Okay, we're at night, aiming the new LASFIT headlights, designed custom for this truck. So far they look really good. They have good vision from side to side. So that's off. Let me stop it. The high beam, it's nice and high. Sees further down. Low beam, and you see really wide off to the sides. I'm liking these so far. This is again custom made. LASFIT custom makes these for the 2009 to 2014 reflector headlights, factory reflector headlights. Because don't forget, when you have a regular incandescent bulb, halogen bulb, I'm sorry, in here, the LED has to mimic the same height, the same, you know, the same height, the same width of the halogen bulb, or it's just not going to work. Brighter is not always better. It could actually, the cheaper ones that I had in here weren't as bright as this, but they would blind you because they're just, you know, they're cheaply made. See this one, look, you see all the on the side, even if I shut it off, but you see how like the stop sign just lights right up. I mean, boom. It's really, really bright. And this is a dark road here. Let me shut them off again. So this is pretty dark over here. I'm gonna go down one that doesn't even have lights. And we'll see how that looks. So, like I said, I forgot the model number because I'm driving right now. But if you go on this site, I mean, I'm not sponsoring nobody. Don't think that. It's just that I know a lot of guys have these trucks, and if you're looking for upgraded ones that are just made for this truck, see, this is pretty bright. Now that next block has no light. So let's see how that does. See that? I'll shut. Well, let me get over here, and I'll shut it off again to show you there is no light on this block. See, pitch back, and then boom. And I stop it. And the high beams, you see off to the side so much further. I mean, if I had one of the factory bulbs in there on the other side, you would see, you know, you can't even, it's like yellow compared to this. And see, there's no lights on this road right now. And you can see nice. I'm liking these lights. They're pretty decent. I think for $120, $130, I think it's going to be hard to beat them.